Hey, thanks, Byron. We're starting to feel those freezing temperatures you mentioned. I'm by Nob Hill. I'm starting to see those light snow flurries fall down here by Silver and Montclair. Now, that breeze has definitely picked up from earlier this evening when I was outside, but I do want to show you something. I actually soaked this t-shirt, and in around 5 minutes, it was nearly frozen, and by 10 minutes, can you guys hear that? Completely frozen. And that just goes to show how freezing cold it is here in the metro. And this winter storm impacted just about the entire state, but some places more than others. A bitterly cold Valentine's Day that didn't melt hearts, but froze them.
This winter storm definitely came in with a vengeance today.
Some waking up this morning with no power.
But it was mainly the heavy winds down in Valencia that made it really difficult for our crews to restore power.
Sarah Yingling with PNM says thousands were impacted.
With at least the Valencia outage and the Las Vegas outages combined, there was probably around 6,000, 7,000 customers without power at one point.
There were also some outages in Bernalillo, Santa Fe, and Grant counties. Here in New Mexico, we're used to snow falling, then melting quickly. But another winter storm arrives Monday night, and the cold stays through midweek. Homeland Security and the state's emergency management says they're working with utilities, so New Mexicans don't lose their heat the next few days.
We've been working very closely with the electric companies and the gas company of New Mexico to make sure that we have continuous flow of electricity and gas throughout the population of the state of New Mexico so that we don't have any issues around that like we've had in the past.
To protect your family, emergency management officials are urging people to make sure carbon monoxide detectors are working. The CDC reports carbon monoxide poisoning is highest during cold weather when people use gas furnaces and heaters. Now I do just gotta show you guys this frozen t-shirt again. In 5 minutes, it was nearly frozen. In 10 minutes, completely frozen. And if you do experience a power outage, you can report that to pnm.com. And if you're experiencing a power outage, be sure to check on your neighbors, especially your elderly neighbors, to make sure they're doing okay. Reporting live from Nob Hill, I'm Stella Sun, KOAT Action 7 News.